Let's go. Oh shit, I forgot to hold on. Let me see this. What am I doing? Select a screenshot. See what we do, fellas. It's really not moving that much, but still got a good ways up, so let's see what we do, fellas. All right. Might add more positions here in a few. See what we do. If the 3 minutes Sarcastics crosses over, I'm just gonna I might just get out of this position, but for right now I'm gonna stay in. I think it'll be alright. I think we are fine. And then of course if we get an FU candle, then that's not good either, so I'm gonna stay in this position for a good bit, guys. We do have a lot of well, let's look at the daily right quick. Look, where are we? We're already coming up on this zone. I'm thinking maybe we could just sell right here if it does. I need to go back in time to see what this looks like, so let's just do that. Let's go ahead and do that. Just go back in time and see how that looks. Well, actually, no, we can't. Shit. Alright, whatever. See what we do, guys. We might not even come up here, guys, so I'm just checking the time frames and checking, see what's going on. We have a lot of buyers here. We got plenty of buyers here. 432 volume is at 435. Bids are at 432. So let's see what we have, guys. If I see any kind of reversal, I will be getting out. What's going on, everybody? What's going on? Just trying to make this bread before tomorrow. Hold on, let's go to a higher time frame, see if we can mark some stuff out because right now it's just looking all crazy. We do have this area here. Let's look at this zone right here, this zone. Everything just looks whack right now, guys. I don't like the way this looks. Let's put it a little tighter right there. There we go. All right, so we have this zone here that it can come back to. Or we have this zone right here. We have this zone right here that it can come back to. Let's copy that. Let's paste it. We have, we also have this zone as well. We have this zone right here. Let's copy and paste. Paste right here. We also have this zone right here. We have those three zones right there. We need to focus on. Let's just keep it simple today, guys. Keep it simple. I know we do have a crossover on the MACD on the 1 minute. It is coming back down a little bit, but as long as if we're looking at the stochastics right now, and if I'm reading this correctly, um, we still have a potential to keep coming up, but not until I see this crossover appear, then I'll mic it out just afterwards. But for right now, let's just see what we have. What chart? This is MNQs, guys. All the indicators. Which one? This one? Oh, this right here is the MACD. This is the stochastics. These are EMAs right here. So let's see what we do, fellas. What's going on, Jess? Rosselli, Rodney, good bless, Michael, Eric, CB, what's going on? Let's get some gains before tomorrow, guys. But yeah, so I'm looking at this on this 30-minute until I see this 30-minute crossover and come back down again, I'm not going to get out. Once I do that, once I see that happen, I'm going to try to see if we can look for some shorts. We do have that crossover right here on the stochastics, but not yet on the MACD. So I'm not too worried just yet. Let's look at the 15. Sorry guys, I'm going in and out of this stuff. Let me take some of this stuff off. Sorry. There's a lot going on here, guys. So this is for a higher time frame. Um, but yeah. And as you can see, this is the 15-minute. We still have this big opening here. Once I see these crossover, I'll look into some shorts, but right now looks like we're still going to be going green for a bit. This is a 10-minute. Same thing. We still got to come up here. Let's see. 5. So I'm gonna wait for one more push up. If we can get one more push up, then I'm gonna get into some shorts on this next push up. If it comes. If it don't, then I'll be getting out. So I want to see one more push up, fellas. I want to see one more push up if we can get that. It looks like we're crossing over now. Now, at this point here, we do have the stochastics crossed over already. Not yet the MACD. So I'm gonna look at the 1 minute chart and see whether or not this MACD crosses over and goes above. And I would actually like the MACD to go up and the stochastics to be going higher so we can get that next push up. And then um, after I get that next push up, then I will be getting out and looking for some shorts. But right now, what I do want to see is a consolidation right here. Consolidation zone. Where's this at? 222, 22, 237. So that'll be around here. So we have a buyer down here, which is, I mean, if we're going to get a push up, I mean, a buyer here is, I think that's reasonable. I think it's reasonable, guys, to get a buyer here, or to actually put a position right here. That's reasonable here. But I do want to see that push up. See what we do, fellas. Spanish, bro? Yeah, I speak Spanish. Let's wait for this one push up, guys, and then I'm gonna get out. See what happens. Llegué tarde para. Llegué tarde para esa entrada acá. Casa, buena entrada. Gracias. Thank you. Ahorita voy a salir ya cuando llego acá atrás, acá arriba. Let's see what we do, fellas. I'm trying to see if let's see if we can get out of this trade. I want to be able to get a push to the upside. Uh, if we can, we do have the stochastics already crossed it over already, but not yet the 5 minutes. So I am not going to get into no kind of short just yet. Let's see if we can get one more push up, guys, and then I'm gonna see if I can get out of this trade. Um, really just depends. Let's see what we do. Let's look at this. It's not a lot. Oh, there's a seller way up here. 2250 22257. It's all the way up here. I'd say if we do take it to here, 22257, 25, I think we could go up possibly to 220, 270s. I'll get out of here and then go into some shorts if we do reach to this upside. Well, we do have a big seller here at 2249 as well. So right here, that's a lot of contracts right there. Holy shit. That is a lot of Connies right there. Look at that. Let's look at the downside. Only 57 down here. No sellers right here. At the top, nothing. Yeah, I think we could still go up, guys. So I'm just going to stay in here for a bit. One more push up and I'm getting out. Or at least let me get $100. Once we get $100, then I think we should be good. I know this is boring, guys, but you know. See what we do, fellas. The hell? If we get this flip to the upside, I'm still gonna stay in, guys. I'm not gonna go anywhere from here. We might come back down here. Or is it? We might come back down here again, hit this level, and then reverse back up. Let's check the 15-minute just to make sure. Yeah, I still see an upside, guys, so I still see an upside for right now. I'm not gonna go nowhere, not until I'm able to, not until, if it does come back down here, guys, I'm gonna enter into more positions, but on my Top Step account, my Express account. I am not going nowhere. That's probably, this might be a good entry too as well, just depending. I'll enter one contract here on my Top Step account here in a minute. So somewhere around here. So I'll enter, I'll place a trade right here. And then I'll place another trade. I'll place another trade right here. Right about here. Warzone, let's go. I'm not getting on Warzone right now, brother. I'm just gonna do this for a little bit. I'm gonna get off at 10. I'll get off at 10. Right now, I'm gonna be doing this for right now, so alright. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait till the next push up and then I'm gonna get out. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the follow, Raul. Let's go. Come on, give us a push. Jeez, I told you. Trading M&Qs, guys. M&Qs. What the hell? Alright, guys, let's see what happens. Maybe another push up, possibly. Looks like it. Looks like we can get another push. we go. Another push up. Let's go. I'm gonna be getting off at it really depends. Maybe in 10 minutes, guys, or maybe at nah, maybe at 10 o'clock. I don't know yet. See what happens. See if we can get one more push up, just one more, and then I'll be getting out of this trick, guys. Sorry, guys. I know this is boring, just watching this and not, it's really nothing going on. But I mean, it is what it is, guys. Yeah, once I reach to 100, guys, that's it. That's going to be it for me today or tonight. And then we'll be back on either if it is open tomorrow morning, then I'll be on. ¿Cuál derecha? ¿Qué indicator es de la derecha? Which one? Uh, to the left? Oh, esta. No sé si está abierto mañana, no sé. Vamos a ver. Vamos a ver si está abierto. Si está abierto, um, voy a estar en vivo, pero si no, pues no. ¿Qué opero? ¿Qué va marcando eso? Está abierto hasta las 1, ok, también pues voy a estar en vivo. Pero todas mis videos son en inglés. Disculpa por... um, es que necesito hacer dos Necesito a alguien que me ayude con eso, pero no sé. Sí, el Nasdaq. Sí, esto es el Nasdaq. Estos son órdenes. Estos órdenes, el volumen, digamos, el volumen de cuántos contratos hay, de vendedores y los que están comprando. Órale, está bien. Sí, todo mis vivo es en inglés. Disculpa, pero am, eso es todo lo que puedo hacer por ahorita. A lo mejor más a rato voy a tener una en español, pero ahorita am, tengo la comunidad de la gente pues que saben hablar inglés. A lo mejor más a rato voy a hacerlo en español. Esta plataforma es Ninja Trader. A ver, lo voy a escribir para ver. Ninja Trader. A ver, ahí está. Ok, y ya cuando... Oh, esto aquí necesitas a comprarlo. Son como 59 dólares al mes. Uso lo voy a escribir porque mi español casi no está bien. Me puedo defender bien, pero mira, ahí está, ya llegamos. Mira, uso esto, mira. City, MACD, STO, CHCHA, STICS. Esos son los que uso. All right, this is the last push up, guys. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see if we can get this to I think this is probably the last push. Yeah. This could be the last push, guys. I don't know. I mean, looking at the 15-minute chart, yeah, we could we can probably we can probably come back down to this level here and then push right on up. But I mean, I'm not going to stay on here all night, guys. Um, I'm thinking I'll just be on here till about 10 o'clock. But for right now, I'm just gonna wait. $100 is not bad at night. I could have gone in there a little heavier, but I'm just gonna take these off because I'm not gonna worry about these. This right here is the top step account. I know I need to fix this, but this right here is my Express account, and this right here is my live account. Yeah, Nasdaq. I'm doing M and Qs right now, so um, yeah, I'm just gonna get off at 10, guys. Se llama sarcastics. I'm always in the right trend. I'm consistent. Um, let's I'll be on here till about 10, guys. Ladies and fellas, I'll be on here till 10 and then I'll see y'all tomorrow if it's open. Or, because I guess people saying it's open. But either way, I'll be on. Check the weekly liquidity. I'll uh I'll be streaming tomorrow. I've been actually, you know what? I've been off for a good while. I used to do this every single day, but there's a lot of stuff going on. And yeah, there's a lot of things going on. So I had to stop doing what I was doing and yeah, so I don't know, for some reason, I don't know why this is not working properly, but come on. Why is it not doing it? Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this wick up here. I'll just set it right there, but I've been trading for the past 4 years. This would be my fifth at the end of December. 4 años y 2 meses. So, yes. I don't know why this is not. But anyways, guys, yeah, I'm gonna be here till about 10 o'clock, and then that's it. I'm just gonna call it a night. I mean, $100. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna go for $100, and then, um, wow, I don't know why it's slowing down. Oh, I know why, because people are using the internet right now. Jesus. But anyways, guys, yeah, I'm just gonna wait till 10 o'clock, and I'll be off, and I'll be on tomorrow. No, I don't use trading bots. I know how to make one, but I don't use them. I'm trading MNQs. Trading MNQs, fellas, ladies and gentlemen. we got we got sellers here at 271, 270. What about to the downside? We have sellers at 254. Buyers at 254 and down here. So there's not a whole lot down here, but we have a whole bunch of bid buyers here. No sellers here. A lot of buyers, so we're still good. All right. Um, but yeah, we still got some good I think we can still push up for a bit. I'm looking at the 15-minute chart. Let's look at the 15 real quick. Um, if you're looking at the stochastics, guys, we still have this spacing and this up movement. Now, I am not going to switch. I will not be going into no kind of short position unless I see this stochastics crossover and the MACD crossover. So I'm going to use the stochastics as a premature entry to the downside and a confirmation on the MACD for the downside. Otherwise, we're just going to keep going up. Um, Even looking at the 30-minute, same thing. The hourly, and it's not changing for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on, guys. Sorry about that. The indicators just went offline for some reason. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to tell them to stop using the internet. Yeah, but anyways, guys, I'm gonna there we go. Finally. Yeah, the family's using the internet downstairs, so that's why it's like that. But usually nobody's here during the day, so um, look, we're at $100, guys. I'm gonna wait till we reach to the top a little bit. If I see any kind of reversal, I'm getting out and I'm getting off, guys, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. This entry here, I got in kind of late because I was just eager into getting I already know how long these things take to actually have a movement, and it usually takes a while. Sometimes I'm usually on here until like 3 o'clock in the morning, four, and I don't go to bed until like 4:30. And I don't want to do that every day. It's not good. It's not healthy. So, um, oh yeah, yeah. For those trading, I know how to make a trading bot. It's just that um, there's a lot more to just uh, you know, just you have to create it to where you're doing it for the up and down side. You can't just do it for one way. No tengo cursos. I don't have no courses, guys. I don't sell courses. I'm not going to go that route. Esto es gratis. Yo all I do, guys, is just trade. All right. I don't do courses, and I try to. Everybody has their own style of trading. I am not going to tell y'all how to trade. I'm just showing y'all how I do it. Sort of. I just want to trade, guys. That's it. Now later on, I will be having. I'll be a commodities financial advisor. So I will have a website for whoever is willing and want to invest. Uh, you know, I'll be able to manage accounts and stuff, but right now I'm just doing this for free. Costs you nothing. You got to do things for free, fellas. Otherwise, we're at 100. We're at 100 bucks. Should I just take 100 bucks and call it a night? I think so. Maybe. I don't want to be here all night, guys. Minis are minis. Sorry about that. I was not even to pay attention to my Twitch chat. They're I mean not minis. They're micros. Sorry. You're down 400 on a 50K. I gotcha. So my goal, Aqua, my goal every single day, and if I could, I mean, I can, I can prove that I'm consistent. I mean, I always transfer $300 to my bank account every single day. My goal is just to make 300 and that's it and stop. If I can make any more and throughout that day, I do not. I make more, but I don't take that out. I just leave it in there. So, um, yeah, that's how I've been doing stuff, guys. And I just recently got a payout from Top Step as well, $1,500. Um, this coming up week, I'm gonna ask for another request, another 15. So just if you're making more, let's say, you have an account, live account, whatever kind of account, something that actually makes you money, make whatever you're gonna make, and just set yourself a take home, earnings and income. I do on my live account, I do es es cuenta real. Esto es cuenta real. Um, try to set yourself a goal on you know, on actually how much to take out. I take out 300 every single day. So, and like I said, I'm posting up my profits so um y'all can see the my P&L for the week and stuff. I just been doing that lately because I just got back on live streaming, and I guess I might be doing that for quite a bit. You know, I'm just here to help, guys. And then once I get my certification, uh my series 3, I'll be doing this for clients. So I'll be having my own website and everything, and maybe possibly maybe some bookings for whoever wants to learn, but right now I'm not. ¿Qué me recomiendas para aprender muchos videos en YouTube? Nomás mira muchos videos en YouTube y vas a estar bien. Y aprende todos los días. So, a guy asked me, what would you recommend to start learning? I'd say, watch a whole bunch of YouTube videos. Um, just watch it. Now, if you're at a point where you're kind of curious as to what trading is and you're not really, if you're not dreaming about this stuff every single day, you're not, like you're not excited to be in the markets every single day and want to look at the charts every single day, then it's probably not for you. I think it's something that you must fall in love with in order to be uh in order you know, to make this something that you actually want to do. I'm doing this for the rest of my life, so I didn't figure out what I wanted to do until, 4 years ago after I got out of the military. So, yeah. All right, guys, we got about 19 minutes. I'll be getting off in 19, guys. I shouldn't be out here all night because then I know if I keep this one open, I'll be up here all night. But yeah, guys, if y'all want to start learning this stuff, I'm not going to teach y'all. I mean, I can just show y'all how to trade, but I'm not the teacher right now. I just want to trade. And if y'all want to learn, just look up a whole bunch of YouTube videos. It's free. Everything y'all can find on YouTube and all those sources help. All you have to do is put in the time and that's all. And experience it and don't start with real money. Start with a Sims account or something and just get used to an actual realistic you know, be disciplined. Or if you want to throw your money away, you can start on a live account. But then you're just going to be blowing it. Sí, así yo aprendí en YouTube. Y perdí como unos $20,000 antes. Pero ya no, ya estoy bien. Yeah, guys, I lost about $20,000 when I first started. Um, that was a very, uh, that was a crucial moment for me. That to me, 20,000 was a lot for me, but after you learn, you'll start. You need to discipline yourself into just take the money, even if it's a dollar or two. Just take it. Just get out. If you're up a little bit, just get out. I'm a scalper, guys. I just scalp, so. Oh, gosh. Let's look at that. Let's look at the hourly real quick. We have another level here. I'm gonna delete this. We have another level here. Actually, you know what? Down here, and then we have another level right here, guys. Boop, 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 boop. Maybe if I look it up close, maybe we'll be fine. What time frame do I use? I use every time frame. I use well mainly I use the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15, and then from I use the one, the three, the five, I used 10, 15, the 30, the 1 hour, the daily, and the weekly. And sometimes I'll look at the monthly. Well, I look at the monthly just depending on what the indicators are telling me. So, do I use a specific time frame for entries? Yeah, I used a 5 minute. The 5 minute for entries, especially if the stochastics is already bottomed out. And I use so you have to, it's hard to explain. So you have to look at the 5 minute, then look at the 15, compare the 5 to the 1 minute, and then compare that 1 minute to the 30 minute. Then it's confusing, guys. You know, I try to be precise, but it's not really, I'm close. I'm getting there, but um, it really just depends on market conditions and stuff like that. But I try to I'm for my mainly entries, I would use the 15 minute realistically. Um, but I used a 5. And then I use Weeble. I use Weeble as well. I mean, I use it on my phone. Weeble to see what the actual stock is doing. Yeah, no problem, man. Um, what the actual stock is doing, and then I look at the SPY, and then I actually look at what is carrying that equity. Um, what equity is what stock is carrying, the cues, whether it be Nvidia, whether it be Meta. Um, you just have to look for those things and then look at those indicators, compare those, and then you have to refer back to the cues, then back to the futures, and then you have to look at the SPY and see where that's at, and then but it's just it's a lot of stuff to learn, guys, but it gets easy after a while. Like I said, fellas, I cannot teach y'all. I cannot teach y'all. Y'all have to experience this stuff and figure out a strategy. And it's not, what I can say is, if you want to use I'd say there's multiple things you would want to start with. First, start off with well, in my experience, the way I try to learn things, I done everything way too fast. I got into everything options and all. I tried the option chain, the trying to figure out the Greeks and how to compare that. I try to. So what I would do is I would try first. I would look for what I would learn first is supply and demand, and then the price action, and then you want to learn about fair value gaps, then liquidity sweeps, then you have to learn then what you want to do is try to get yourself into putting all the time frames together and trying to read those. And if you use indicators, um, get the indicators, read about them thoroughly, like read the indicators really good, change your settings for all indicators, and then figure out a system that works. Figure out, patterns. If it dives, if you get a really fu candle and it dives down, look at your MACDs, look at your stochastics, see if you're overbought or oversold conditions, and then most of the time, usually, it's really, whatever stochastics is at its top, you get a big drop, and then you're going to go even further down. um but yeah, guys, but just don't overwhelm yourself, guys. It's not a good thing. Don't overwhelm yourself. Just take it easy. Take your time on learning this stuff. It's not a race. Profit. I think profitability comes after you mastered discipline, really. All right, think all right. I think this might be, this kind of looks like we're about to have a reversal here soon. Now, if the 1 minute here, if this the MACD goes below, I'd say around negative negative 0.137. If the MACD on this 1 minute goes down to negative 1.37, I think that could be a reversal, guys. If it does come down here, if not, we're just still going up. Looking at this 5 minute, if we do not get a reversal on once these MACDs cross over, I would wait for this to trace up a little bit, look for a head and shoulders, and then look for a short position, but not until you see first you'll see pre-entry on the stochastics here. You'll see it coming down. It'll look like this. Hold on. It'll look like this, guys, like that, like this opening right here. And then that would be for pre-entries. That's early entries, guys. And then for confirmation, it'll look like this right here. This would be confirmation right here. Sorry, I picked the wrong. For confirmation, you want to see a crossover like this. You want to see that right there, and you want to see a lot of volume. So otherwise, you can just still be in the trade, and even if it does come down a little bit, whatever, it'll retrace back up. We're hitting highs right now, guys. It's 9:53, guys. I'm gonna get off at 10. Wherever I'm at, I don't care if I'm $98 in, whatever. I'm just gonna get out. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna get out here in 3 minutes, guys, and I'm gonna call it a night. But I don't want to stay on here all night, guys. It looks like we're still gonna go up to 5 minute here. If you're looking at this, if this doesn't bounce off this signal line and we start crossing over, then we could possibly see a reversal um, here. And I would like to see that on the 1 minute. I would like to see this come back down, like I said, right under this level here, um, negative 0.137, and then the stochastics follow with it as well as momentum. I also use momentum, but you know, look at that. Look at that sweet stuff, guys. I'm about to get off, guys. Looks like here we go. I'm out. Good stuff, guys. That was a good trade. Um, that was just one trade, fellas. That was just one trade from here all the way up here, guys. All the way up here. That was a good trade, guys. But anyways, fellas, that's it for me. I'll be on tomorrow, and if anybody got any questions real quick, I can answer them. If not, then I'm just gonna be getting off, fellas, because it's already 9:55. um, but yeah, just try to look for that reversal, fellas. Uh, looks like on this 15, if you're looking at this 15 right here, see we have all these heavy buyers right here. If you're looking at this 15, we have this opening right here. Now we can come back down from this MACD line to this signal line looks, this signal line is basically right here. So we can come back all the way down here, guys, and then move higher. So you could always place a trade right here, a buy limit. I usually like to place my trades like, I'd say right about here, like that. Um, but yeah. But anyways, fellas, all right, guys, that's it for me today. I'll be on tomorrow. So, if you like the stream, you like the way, the way I do things, and just follow me, like it, do what you need to, fellas. I'll see y'all tomorrow, guys.